Welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about how to participate on the monard airdrop, how you can be eligible, and also how you can be able to claim your token right here on this video. Make sure you watch it till the end. Do not skip any part of this video. All right, so this airdrop called monard is actually totally free, and also it's going to be taking you around less than 10 minutes to participate on it, and it has the potential of making you about $11,500 if you participate on it and give it enough time. All right, so right, guys, watch out closely. Let's now talk about the step-by-step guide on how you can be able to position for this monard airdrop. So right now, before we start the video properly, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. Also, like the video you're watching right now and share the video to everyone out there so that they can also see this opportunity and grab it right now. So right now, the first question is, of course, what is monard itself? So monard is actually building an Ethereum virtual machine compatible layer 1 blockchain designed to improve the overall Ethereum ecosystem. So right now, guys, this project is very nice. They have actually secured investment from a lot of top class projects. For example, they actually secured some investment from OKEX Venture, Electric Capital, Paradigm, and others, and they raised a total of about $244 million. All right, so right, guys, watch us closely on this video. Let's talk about how we can be able to get a share from this, and also how we can be able to position and secure eligibility for the monard airdrop. So looking over here right now, you can see that I am on their website, and over here we have something like this. They said monard protocol deliver full EVM compatibility with breakthrough performance through decentralization, product grade security, and exceptional throughput. Okay, so right, guys, without talking much, let's now dive straight and talk about how to participate on this airdrop. But let me show you guys something right here on their Twitter account. And over here, guys, on the Twitter account, you can see that they have a open 604,000 followers right here. And when you check out the project that are following them, you can see that this project called monard is actually being followed by a lot of top projects and well-trusted projects like Hot Protocol. You can see Win Exchange, and you can see Coded Estate, and of course you can see Bonk is also following this project. Ice Cream Swap, to mention but a few, a whole lot of top crypto projects are following this project. All right, so this proves that this is a very good one, and it is a very nice catch, and we need to give it a very good shot so that we can understand how we can be able to position ourselves after watching this video. All right, so over here right now, you can see they made this post right now 5 days ago, and they say that the testnet is loading, and they said 99%, meaning that we have a very limited time to actually participate on this airdrop. So after watching the video, make sure you follow the steps that I'm going to be taking on this video to participate on the airdrop. All right, so without wasting time, the link to this airdrop is going to be on the video description box. So make sure you copy the link from the video description box, then you come over here to the search bar, you go ahead and of course paste the link right there. All right, so this is going to be taking you to where you are going to be installing the Haha wallet. All right, so once you come over here, you click on add to Chrome. Okay, you click on add to Chrome. This is going to be loading up pretty quick. Then this is going to be adding to your Chrome, and once it adds to your Chrome, then you go ahead and of course select it and of course set it up. All right, right now you can see it has been successfully added. What you need to do from here, simply click on this extension button, and over here you can see this is the Haha wallet right here. You click on it, so it's going to be opening up the wallet, and it's going to be requiring you to set it up. So what you need to do is simply click on get started, because you are creating a new account. You go ahead and of course input your email and also input your password, then you click on continue, and after that, guys, they are going to be sending you code on the email that you used on creating your account. So right now you need to go to your email box to copy the code and of course paste it right here, then you click on verify. And over here right now, you can see you need to set up your profile. You need to select your first name and of course your last name, and after that you click on continue. But if you don't want to be taking this step, you click on skip. All right, and over here right now, the next thing you need to do is of course to set up your pin code. All right, so over here, guys, you need to of course put the code right here and of course confirm it right here, and after that you are going to be clicking on continue. After that, guys, right now you can see we have this let's get started right now. So over here, guys, you can see you need to click on this box right now, and after clicking on this box you need to click on create a new wallet. Do not import a wallet, make sure you create a new wallet. And over here right now you can see they are going to be giving you sets of recovery phrase, which you need to of course write down and make sure you secure it properly, because anybody that has access to your recovery phrase obviously has access to your wallet as well. So right now, guys, I'm going to be choosing 12 word instead. So right now I need to write this 12 word down and secure it, and after that, guys, I need to click on I have saved my recovery phrase, then click on continue. Right now you can see we have now successfully created our wallet. So right now I need to click on start using wallet. So right now guys, we are done with this first step right now. So over here guys, you need to click on enable notification right now, and you are now totally set up your haha wallet. So the second thing you need to do right now is simply check out the video description as well to get the second link, which you need to copy and paste right here in order for you to go to the second website where we need to do some stuff. So you go ahead from here right now, you come over here to the search section, you go ahead and paste this link right now, and of course search for it. All right, so this is going to be taking you to the website where you need to connect your wallet and of course do what I'm going to be showing you right now. So if you're finding it difficult to actually access this website, go ahead and of course toggle your VPN on. All right, so use VPN to access this website if you are finding it difficult. All right, so what you need to do from now is simply click on connect wallet. This time you need to select your metamask wallet. Okay, right now your metamask wallet is going to be popping up immediately. You go ahead and first of all unlock your metamask wallet, then proceed to connecting it to this website. So right now I will click on connect, and over here right now the connection is going to be established. So right now I need to click on sign in. Right now your metamask is going to be popping up, and right now guys you need to click on confirm to sign in the message request. And after that guys, this is what you're going to be seeing next. And over here right now what you need to do from here is simply make sure that your phone is on landscape mode. So once your phone is on landscape mode, you go ahead and bend it so that the yes button, okay, you can see the start button will appear right now. You click on start, and once you click on start you can go back to the normal portrait mode. Okay, so over here guys you need to select a validator where you're going to be selecting where you're going to be delegating your token. So I guess I will scroll down and of course select anybody else that I want. I will just go ahead and select the last person right here, which is scopelift.ethereum. I will click on select. Once you click on select right now, over here what you need to do next is to simply go ahead and read all this right now, and of course you click on more. And once you click on more, you can see a lot of things actually shows up. And of course, what you need to do from here is simply change your phone to landscape mode one more time. And over here, guys, you can see the select or the continue button is going to be appearing. You click on continue, and once you click on continue right now, you can see the next thing is for you to go ahead and of course click on skip. Okay, over here on token transfer, you click on skip, and over here, guys, you need to scroll down until you see this button right now that says stake for governance. But before you go ahead and click on stake for governance, you go ahead and check this box right now to make sure that it is done. You go ahead and of course click on stake for governance. So over here, right, you need to click on stake right now. We are staking 00W right now, so you go ahead and click on stake. This is going to be popping up your metamask immediately, and once your metamask pops up, you need to scroll down a little bit. Okay, allow it to load up real quick, and you need to scroll down, and over here guys you can see you are going to be needing a total of $0.19, not even up to 2 cents. You need 0.19 cents to actually cover the last gas fee. You click on confirm, and right now that you have clicked on confirm, you need to give it a little time to load up real quick. And over here right now you can see your transaction have been submitted. Okay, so once you are at this point, you have now done the first step. What you need to do is simply go ahead and of course delegate your token to as many people as you can. And after that guys, you can see you need to actually go back right now, and of course you can see what we have right now. We are now seeing this delegate button right now. So we need to do from here simply go ahead and click on delegate one more time, and over here guys you need to see this result is going to be loaded up right now. And of course you need to select delegate vote or delegate votes right now. You click on delegate votes. Okay, so allow it to load up right quick, and your metamask wallet is going to be popping up again right now guys. Allow it to load up, and once the loading is done, you go ahead and scroll up, and over here guys this is going to be taking 0.2 cents this time around. You click on confirm one more time, and right now guys you are now totally done with this step. So right now what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is of course for us to go to the Discord channel, and of course go ahead and do some stuff which I'm going to be showing you right now on this video. What we need to do right, simply come over here to the search section and of course paste the Discord link. The Discord link is also going to be shared on the video description box, so you go ahead and click on the search bar and of course paste the Discord link. You go ahead and of course search for it. So this is going to be taking you to the Discord server where you need to of course join and then do what I'm going to be showing you right now. Okay, so loading up real quick, you can see we need to click on accept invite, and right now guys we are going to be taken to the Discord server. Once we are taken to the Discord server, the first thing we need to do is of course for us to actually do our verification. You click on accept invite one more time. Okay, and right now guys we are now on the Discord server. All right, so what we need to do from here, simply go ahead and of course click on verification right now, and over here right now you can see welcome to server, and right here they say to access to server select join on the drop down. So what you need to do is simply click over here guys on this button right now, you click on it, and over here you need to check this box right now and of course click on complete right now, and over here right now you can see the join button is now live. You go ahead and of course click on join. Okay, and over here right now you can see you need to check this box right now, and right now we are now done. You can see we have now received a new role called the newbie. Okay, so right now guys you need to go back right now, and of course you can see a lot of things are now available right now, and what you need to do from here, simply go ahead and make sure that you are as active as possible right here on the general chat. And over here guys you can see this is where the chat is, this is where the newbies chat, and of course make sure that you are very active right here, because the more active you are, the more that you actually rank up, and make sure that you gather as much roles as possible, because the more role that you have, the more your airdrop chances is coming closer to you. All right, so right now make sure that you are gathering as much roles as possible, and also make sure to follow my steps so that you can position very well for this $244 million airdrop that we are participating on this video. Thank you for watching. I believe you got a value from the video. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Do well to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.